Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FB, Facebook. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute because you're new to charts, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so go there and I'll explain in detail. And then also from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Facebook in my retirement accounts from the long side, so just keep that in mind. Like many stocks out there today, especially in the tech sector, very, very rough day, and especially for Facebook, and then especially from the technical point of view. And this will mean a little bit more of those of you that have used charts and understand charts. But this line right there, that pink line, denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay above it. And all in all, throughout the course of the majority of the day, the price did a great job of holding up above it. Unfortunately, though, there is still another 30 minutes left, and during the final 30 minutes of the day, you can see that is where the price got the break to the downside. And this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has taken notice of this event. And I bring that up because when a lot of eyeballs have noticed the same thing and then start to wonder the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's, the potential now going forward is this movement going to get that much more strength to the downside, or the bull is going to try to do damage control and try to turn things around? And that is where this area comes into play and is very important right here at 181.50. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see this acted as support, or as resistance. And then within the foundational rule in technical analysis, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And it held beautifully twice today as support. So definitely, again, a lot of eyeballs have, like I said, already taken notice of the 200 period moving average being broken. But now a lot of them are going to be watching this 180-150 mark and wondering, can the price hold above there? If the price does not hold above 180-150, then it would not be shocking in the least to see the price potentially go down there as low as 180, if not even lower than that. Now, in the event there's, the price is going to, bottom out here and try to turn itself back around, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial level of resistance on any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, right up there at 184.25. If the price can get up through 184.25, next level to watch after that would be that purple line up there, the 50 period moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the week continues to play out, that line will move itself further and further downwards and get more and more relevant. But one hurdle at a time, and the first key hurdle is just right there at 184.25. So quite the eventful day, and now it's just a question mark of, the price is broken through that 200 period. Is there more, downside blood to come? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.